All right, market is open. Let's see what we can do.
Order
today.
submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right. Kind of stuck a view up right now. So we could make a little push up here.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh, I wonder if that's too loud. Let's see. Should be fine. Interesting. Alright. Happy Monday. Market's not really going anywhere. Well, I said that the ATR is at 18, so it's clearly pretty high. Seems to be doing alright. Not too shabby, that's for sure. So we got no one watching the stream right now, though. That's right. We're used to it. One day. Alright, we're pushing down a little bit. Keep our eye on the chart here. See if we can get down to the 730s. Looks like we might make our way down there. Alright, kind of getting that push down, taking out the previous low right here. Alright, making way a bit lower. Slowly and slowly. Kiddos, what's up? Yes, sir. Is there like an echo at all? No echo. Okay, it's probably fun on TikTok. Makes sense. I heard a little something on the YouTube. I was just listening a little bit to myself. It sounded like there might be a little echo. I'm not sure why. I do have like a new kind of setup I'm trying to work with here, so that's probably why. But I'm not sure the issue. But we'll figure it out. Let's get that normal though for at least most of you guys. Dylan tapping in. Welcome back, Dylan. Dylan, is there an echo for you by chance? Just curious. But if not, we're chilling. Looks like holding up here at the London low pretty well. Kind of bouncing. Yeah, echo. Dang it. I think I know why. I just don't know how to fix it just yet. Let me ask my boy Chat GPT. I'll try and fix the echo, but until then, hopefully it's not too annoying. Yeah, I'm streaming from a second computer to my YouTube, just so I can not run into some issues I have run into the past. But obviously that leads to some more complications since it's my first time doing it. Missed my entry, so I'm waiting. This could be a good one coming up. Let's see what we do here though at the lows. It's all about being patient, right? All about being patient. Be a nice bear flag here. I do worry a little bit trying to short into the London low, but everything else looks good. Bouncing off the 9 EMA. Could take out some of these lows and get a nice little break. Kind of tempted to take still, but it might just kind of get down and reject again off these lows, which makes it a little questionable for me.
Order submitted.
We'll try it. We'll just go
Order
briefly once
filled.
we hit down there. Actually, I forgot. ATR's at 24. So this move is actually a pretty It's a pretty big bear flag, actually. So my target's actually right there. That's kind of bouncing around, a little volatile. Might get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Dang, I didn't realize it was a 24. We're moving around pretty heavily. We were up like 5 or 6 points there. Maybe could have gone break even. But it's just moving a little quick for my profit target and stop loss. Looks like the market kind of just wants to hold here. Again, a little hard there with the low being right here. But not the worst look. Yeah, a little unfortunate. Man, I worked on Friday. I actually got low Rex Friday too. Also, here's the bear flag playing out. Looks like we just need to give it a little bit more room there with the volatility. A little unfortunate though that we didn't go and hit my target. We got pretty close. Again, probably should have kind of gone break even down there. It's just a little quick to really know for sure. That's right, brand new week. Yeah, another bounce of the London low. That's again what we're kind of worried about down there. But I still had the right idea. Just got unlucky. I was kind of waiting for it to get down there for my target, but also to go break even anyways. Got a decent 20-point move last night. Let's go. That's what we like to hear. Damn, really pushing up now. We're up. Holy crap, we're up to 80 points. I guess I did not realize how much the market moved overnight. Just over the last couple hours. I mean, yeah, this move right here is 80 points, which is typically like pretty massive. But it looks kind of like insignificant right here, so definitely might want to size down today or just have a wider stop loss. All that kind of stuff. Oh, also today's a bank holiday. Totally forgot about that. It's Columbus Day or something. Is that what it is? I didn't see any like. Maybe I should double check. I didn't see any like emails talking about the market, talking about being closed. Does it close early today, like at 11 or something? I know typically it can do that. Close at 11. That's what I'm thinking. Kind of that early close. I think that's what we did like on Martin Luther King Day. And that could be why market's just a little choppy, but also like crazy volatility right now. Kind of wild. You'd almost expect like a really slow chop with a holiday like today. Yeah, it says a U.S. bank holiday all day today. Definitely check around, maybe just see if there's any announcements from some of these Discords I'm in. Typically they'll send out like a little reminder, like over email, like, hey, be careful or don't trade, or make sure you close all your trades by this time. But I'm not really seeing any from like Top Step or Apex, Tradeify. So might be missing something, but maybe it's not that big of a deal. I don't know. Definitely got some crazy volatility right now, though. So definitely got to be a little careful here. I can see just in this bear flag here. Maybe it wasn't the best one to begin with, but I mean, clearly we still had that little move down. But the problem is we took out the lows, had a little push, nearly made it to the lows, and then rejected all the way back up here. And then would have taken out these highs, stopping some people out. Then it came all the way back down to the lows. Kind of made equal lows there, and then it bounced all the way back up here. Like it's what I'm seeing right there. A little bit of manipulation, a little bit of uncertainty here. Yeah, the echo's bad on the YouTube. Just let's do it again. Alright, how do I figure that out? I think I know a short-term fix. I don't know if it's the best fix for like the quality. Let me try it. Alright, that should have fixed the echo, I think. Might not be what I final fix for it on the YouTube, but should be good for now. That's good that TikTok sounds good. Yeah, let's see. So now it says the stock market is open. There's no early close. One news, or not news thing, one said no. Anyway, so the volatility. I mean, it's a Monday, anyways. Mondays can be tricky. So gonna be careful regardless. We get close above this. This could be close here in a second. We're looking for, oh, maybe not, low rejection. Yeah, nice rejection there. Might get it here in the next candle close. We will see, we'll see. The echo should be fixed. Now we're just waiting for some good trading opportunities. But again, probably want to be a little careful today. ATR's at 29. Crazy volatile. Might be worth sizing down. Also, it's a holiday, Columbus Day. So, despite the extra volatility, the market could very quickly die out and have some pretty poor conditions as far as volatility, but also just kind of consistencies, if that makes sense. Potentially taking the day off. Kind of, we want like a stronger close. These closes are a little weak if we're going to take this retest. If we can close kind of up here above the 65s, I think I like that a little bit better. Does not look like we're going to be able to do it. I'm almost tempted to take a short since we can't get above it. Probably going to get a little pullback to the 90 MA at least. Definitely hard to make that call right now, but it's starting to go right now. If it ain't gonna go up, it's a good chance it might go down. But obviously there's no certainties. It might just go sideways. That is an option as well. Yeah, there's that 90 MA. Should have taken the short. It's not. Doesn't it? Is at another tough spot because we're kind of at the previous level. Kind of hard to long into it. Kind of like we shorted into this one. Might as well try it again, right? So, yeah. Where this candle even closes. Kind of with candle. It's like this one. So
Order submitted. Order.
Try above it and kind of had a better close. Still a little bit of a wick up there.
Order filled.
So, wasn't really paying attention to Delta too much, but we do have some weak buyers on. To get above 5 points there. Still a little bit to our profit target. We'll see if we decide to be choppy and get stopped out, but hopefully we get a nice little push up.
Target filled.
Yeah, that does suck. But like I said, today might not be the best day anyways, with clearly some pretty high volatility. I mean, my 12.5 point move was this small compared to what's going on. And with Columbus Day, I'm not sure how long people are going to be trading anyways. I'd be surprised if the volatility lasts more than like an hour. But a couple opportunities here. If might have snagged a couple. But there's always tomorrow. Monday's not my best day anyways. I think I did the math, and if I stopped trading on Mondays and Fridays, I'd be noticeably more profitable. But we made back some money there. Now we're only down 30 bucks. So we'll take that nice little win. Still making its way a little bit higher. See if anything else shows up. Yeah, nice little retracement there. Kind of failed it at first, but then we kind of got that push above again with a nice little close, and then we came back, tapped it, bounced right up. Nice trade. Gonna have a ways until we get to the next level on the upside. The London high up at 24,945. That's still 66 points higher, which typically is pretty big move. But with today, I mean, 60 points could happen in the next 5 minutes. Everyone's excited to trade Monday only to get chopped up. Exactly. Long weekend, especially I think, at least where I live, it was fall break for people in school. I don't know if that matters for traders, but don't know if that matters too much. But yeah, the weekends in general, people come back, they're excited to get back into trading and make some money. And the market will take advantage of them. My college doesn't have fall break, SMH. Dang, that's rough. Yeah, I hate to hear it. If they don't have fall break, do they have like Thanksgiving break? Do they have anything? Or are they just leaving you out to dry? Thanksgiving break, okay, that's good, that's good. Probably Christmas. So they're not completely inhumane, that's good. Never quite understood fall break, because it's like right before Thanksgiving. but it doesn't really have anything, like really have a purpose besides, oh, it's fall now. I think, as I say that though, I think I'm remembering some conversations. I think it has something to do with just teachers needing a little prep. Quite trimesters, like what my school did or does. I know a lot of schools do it a little bit differently, but some do like the typical like semesters where you have 2 semesters throughout the school year, and then within the semesters you have quarters. But then some schools do it where there's like trimesters, I think, where there's like 3 different things. I can't remember, but I think if it's doing like the quarter thing, I think it might be about the end of the first quarter, which means they're probably using this stuff for the end of the quarter grade, and then this next quarter will end around Christmas. Meeting time. Try to trade after. Well, good luck. Yes, sir. Good luck. High for a little bit, as always. Delta's still a little hard to pull it up on stream. Actually, I can for the YouTube. A little harder on TikTok, but you can see Delta is way down. This is moving upwards. It's definitely a bit of a divergence there, a little discrepancy. ES is looking good though. ES is looking very similar to the NASDAQ, so that's good. But yeah, buyers are a little bit weak, kind of hanging out at the lows when they should be towards the highs. Got this nice long, but I am a little hesitant to keep longing this when we're going higher, but there's not a lot of buyers to support it. But this is also another tempting bull flag, so I mean, if we take out this high, like, I might have to take it.
Order submitted.
Might not be the best. It is kind of a bigger move. I'm going to keep my ATR the same for my ATM strategy. No, I won't move that yet. That could be dangerous. Alright. Let's see if we get a nice little pop up quickly. Probably move break even quicker than not. Just to play it safe on this one.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't really want to put my stop all the way down there. Don't really want to risk too much. Well, we might get unlucky. I might chop around a little bit, so we'll see. Hopefully we just get a nice little break up here. They say I'll probably plan to move break even as soon as we can, as soon as we have a little room like that. Really close there to target. I'd like to just hold it and hopefully we can get all the way up there.
Target filled.
There it is. Almost closed it, but patience is always good. Always good to have some patience. Another nice little win there. W's for that one. We got $215 now on this account. We had a loss earlier and then 2 wins. We could try and go for another, but honestly, I might be today. Monday with some crazy volatility could be kind of sketchy. Yeah, some good trades there. Complain about those. So I pull back again a little bit. Pull back again. We might have found a little bit of a top here. We made it a little bit higher, but then we're pulling back again. So not a lot of continuation higher there. Might even take out these lows here and I might just chop around here. Like I said, with a day like today, could be a little sketchy. A Monday in general, not the easiest day to trade. With a bit of volatility today, 23 ATR, we were at like a 29. Could be a little sketchy, but so far we got pretty good trades. One loser, two winners. Might get some more winners here, we'll see. But also, I won't be surprised if we kind of just chop around here a little bit. We'll see. Sorry if that's a little loud. So kind of loud.
menu narration on.
Oh, thank goodness. Much better. Alright, I'm gonna toy around some settings. Then I might play a little Battlefield. See if we get any trades in the meantime. So far we're kinda playing on this full flag, but we're also kinda chopping. Getting the highs pretty quickly there, which is fine. We just I wish I like saved in my settings. I had put in beta, got my settings down to what I thought was pretty good. Fortunately, they're different now. Not sure. Yeah, pulling back there a little bit, but kind of just looking a little choppy in my opinion. Yeah, making our way back up. I said an hour a little bit ago as far as some potential volatility before the chop. We might end up just getting chopped right now. We'll see here. Yeah, the day might already be done basically. Let's see, settings. Might just have to jump in a game. Or like training ground. Nah, let's... We'll just play a game. Figure out our settings in the meantime. Alright, now let's see if I can get this to look good. Ah, this is good. No, not. Fun bit in the beta. Money up. Just setting correct. Might be a little boring.
Attack support needed on the marked objective.
The charts all day. What?
We're attacking Charlie.
It's back and it's chopping nice. Or I'm back and it's chopping nice. Yeah. I was hoping to get a little longer. Like price act. Kind of like I was thinking with Monday and Columbus Day, and we had this crazy high volatility. But I was like, I don't know if it's gonna last that long. And it might prove me wrong here and it might make a little move, but
Objective Bravo is under our
also I won't be surprised if it just kind of chops around the rest of the day.
Objective Alpha has been lost. Be advised, hostiles now hold Objective Alpha.
We got back to our spawn. Not sure why. Game's kind of lagging here. So at least for me, like the stream should be relatively smooth. At least what I'm seeing looks pretty decent. Yeah, like my game's not. So looks normal, yeah. It should be pretty good. Still choppy on my end compared to what I'm used to. But I'm also spoiled because I get like 200 FPS like most of the time when I play. So a little bit spoiled. That might be what I needed. It still feels weird. Some green, nice. Yes, sir. Too crazy. Trades. Got some winners. Typically I go for. I've just been catching. I'm a loser with some of these earlier before we trends kind of set up. I'm happy with 200 in a day, but it would be nice to get like 400, maybe a little bit more. Platform is very exactly. You don't need anything. Everyone's always big. The big. Definitely. Well, that's my problem. We're like PC gaming and FPS seems so easy. Oh, exactly. That's the thing I talk about. So it's that simple. $200 a day. When you look at trades like this, it's like, oh yeah, like to get this little move, not that much. And for there's that game. Come here. from. People.
Let's go!
This one feels good though. I'm gonna die. I think I have a medkit somewhere. Good. I definitely have to play more strategic. I don't want to wait myself like it's weird because they're like good enough, but they still feel kind of funky. I don't think I was playing the beta. So it shouldn't be. Should. No. Easy sometimes. So it's not like no. Yeah. Watch it. But I think that's up. I guess it's maybe being spoiled. A little bit of. Let's see. My connection. far, all I saw was good things and heard the beta, so I was like, might as well. I don't buy any other game. A game worth playing. A little different than Battlefield. I'm kinda my latency. I have to do like a little speed test or something. See if it's my fault. I'm gonna leave this game. I know, I was like frozen there for a sec. I have like, oh shoot, maybe it is my internet. Speed test is showing 400 download, which it should be like 900. But 400 is still plenty to play games. That's only like 67 upload. Is streaming really like messing up my stuff? Doing it again. Okay, now I'm at 900 downloads. That's where it should be. But I've been kind of the same way. I've just been playing Fortnite. On the 100. Just been that reason. The server browser. That's playing the server in my region. Filters. North America. Try this. Control the breakthrough. Should be more servers than this. Game on the Call of Duty. Black. I was a little disappointed, but I did play a bit of it. Had some fun. Got Dark Matter. So I guess. Alright, here's all the servers. They're all full. It's okay, I can wait. These are all like XP farms though. I just want like a server with good ping. I feel like I have a lot of options here. Ping, no, I want ping. I want this. I wish I could select like a couple of these filters. There's not really seeing all the options. Yeah, I'll just. Let's do this. We'll trust to give us a good server this time. Kind of back up to this range from earlier. Not ideal. Alright, doing. Alright, here we go. Liberation Peak. It's a good one from the. I'm trying to find this game. To get better things. See if we can fix. Crouch. Just. Sure. Something that just me like I don't know if I have that set. Just really cool in this game. I was chopping around. Oh no, that was from earlier. Doesn't matter. Yeah. I'll move. I'll stop moving. I'm going. Download and upload is 50 and 75. That's oh shoot. Let me leave this. I don't know why. My internet speed literally goes from 900 to like I don't know. But at the same time, rating job and get another way. I don't know. Because I could stream. Yeah, 100 upload and download while streaming. And then it goes down to 50 when I'm playing Battlefield. I think that's a problem. Alright. Market still might make a move here. I don't know. Trying to figure out game and stream stuff. It's unfortunate. Yeah, I haven't had any of these issues before, but I do have, like I said, trying to do like a dual PC setup, right? So I can avoid crap main PC. It's a good idea. I just might not have the setup good or like optimized. So that might be the problem. Or maybe it's just not the setup that I need for what I'm trying to do. Maybe let's go back to what I was doing before. But yeah, almost 9 o'clock. Not a bad day. I was up. I haven't slept. So I wasn't even up till late. I just haven't. I'm still up. I never went to bed. I was gonna go to bed at like midnight. And then I called him and we started chatting. We're up late. With him. 5:30 in the morning. Almost 6. It was good though. I think it was good stuff. 20. I just either. There. Fall asleep. I might just be like I might have to like sleep on my I did get enough sleep from like 5 to 6:30 or 7. Woke up and traded. Sleep. Fall asleep. Then I got a nice 8 hours of sleep that night. I should for sure be fun. But then like I was feeling a little bit tired. Around like 3. I'll take a 30-minute nap. That's all I need. I slept from 2 o'clock. I said 34, but it was more like 2 o'clock. I slept from like 2 o'clock till 7 p.m. It was wild. Clearly I need to catch up on some sleep. So let's see what happens today. Let's see if I can fall asleep now, catch up on some sleep, or if we don't fall asleep today and tomorrow we sleep all day. But don't worry, I should be good to trade. Even if I sleep the rest of the day, I'll be trading tomorrow. Don't even worry. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys hanging out in the stream. Sorry, cut it short today, but we made some money. Definitely. See ya.